the same story
Mm-hmm.
using the same words. Cozy house, and then something about furniture, and
Really? So
then someone worked hard to make the house bigger. Is your house big or small?
I don't know what kind of definition of big or small house, but like, well, we have 4 bedrooms, and
Okay.
I I think
And
the house is
your
kind of
opinion
big.
is it's cozy and comfortable,
Mm-hmm.
and it has you feel good when you come home from work. For example, so here you just talk about like you came home from work yesterday, and then what did
Um,
you do?
like I came back from work really late at night, and I went directly into my bedroom and
Mhm.
slept, and that's all.
And you fell asleep. How fast did you fall asleep? You can use an adverb.
Yeah.
I fell asleep
Mm.
quickly or slowly, or did you listen to music? Did you took a shower or what?
It's such a shame to say that I went to bed without taking any kind of shower yesterday because I
Mhm.
was so tiring and I mean tired, and I went
Mhm.
to bed immediately when I get home.
Okay. No, that's perfect. Perfect. And immediately when I got home, that adverb adds extra points for your speaking score. Perfect. Perfect. So wait, you work in the day and you get home late, or you work
Yeah,
late in the evening and you get home later in
I,
the night or in the morning?
I normally start my work in the afternoon and I finish it at about 9 p.m.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Right.
I
So
don't know,
that's interesting.
like I don't know if I can consider myself as a telecommuter because I usually spend about like 20 minutes to go to work. Can I consider myself as a telecommuter?
Telecommuting is when you work online, but a commuter, yes. Yeah, a 20-minute drive, any trip to work and back is a commute. Usually 20 or 30 minutes is the limit, the low limit for a commute. If you say I go to work and it takes 10 minutes, it would be difficult to call that a commute. But 20
Yeah,
minutes, yeah, you could say that's a commute, a short commute.
a
20
short
minutes is
commute.
actually not very short. I mean, it's actually a long time to spend going to work. So, but yeah,
Yeah,
so that's fine.
yeah, thank
Um,
you.
yeah, no, that's a good answer. That's good. Yeah, so the important thing is, so I know they teach you want to describe so many things and use so many vocabulary. That's actually not what's important. What's
Mm-hmm.
important is showing your grammatical range and accuracy quickly. So I live in a blah blah blah. I like it, and it's comfortable because blah blah blah. That's a compound complex sentence. And then you go right into a past tense story with a time, right? So yesterday I was blah blah blah, and I fell asleep immediately, right? You use that adverb. Then you go to the future, right? In the future I will blah blah blah. Then you use some modals and talk about consequences. Don't worry about all this. I have a guide, a course that I'll give you. Anyone who's here now, just DM me after we finished, and I'll give you the link to my course. I'll probably just free. Just it step by step guide, everything you need to say to get a band 9. But in very good, actually surprisingly good. Boom. I know Foong has some skills already. Talk to Foong. So, Foong, describe your house.
Yes, I live in a mall now. It's located in the suburb area. It takes about 30 minutes from my house to Chinatown. It has for 2 bedroom and 1 kitchen in my house.